Hi, I'm Serena from thriftdiving.com. You know, a ceiling fan is the perfect way to circulate air throughout a room. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how we are changing out this old ceiling fan with the 56-inch Altura indoor oil rub bronze ceiling fan from Home Decorators Collection. Let's jump into it. Before starting the installation, we shut off the power, then remove the old ceiling fan. We were installing the 56-inch Altura fan in oil rub bronze, but it actually comes in various other sizes, 48-inch, 60-inch, and 68 inches. You can also buy it in white, black, brushed nickel, brushed gold, and it offers a dual mount installation, so the fan can be installed standard on a flat ceiling, as we did, or on an angle. And what I love most is the 5 hand-carved wood blades with a walnut finish, which complements any home decor styles. This Altura ceiling fan model has a convenient remote control with 3 settings for easy operation, and you can even mount the remote on your wall. We love the Altura collection so much that we decided to replace the ceiling fan in our son's room with the Altura 60-inch indoor-outdoor oil rub bronze ceiling fan with the wall control. And the wall control was pretty easy to install too. So whether you're replacing an old ceiling fan or installing all new ceiling fans, the Altura collection has a lot of great styles, sizes, and options for your home at the Home Depot.